Hello lovelies, thanks for stopping by and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another amazing recipe. So today let's make this delicious, moist, fluffy, melt in your mouth passion fruit cake glazed with passion fruit syrup. Yeah, and it's so easy to make, so without taking too much time, let's get to the video. Well, to make this passion fruit cake, you need some passion fruit or passion juice. I prefer using a whole passion, and I will start by prepping my passion fruit for the sugar glaze, and I will use some in my cake batter. So I will remove the seeds and set aside. Once done, I'm going to use my sieve to extract the juice. Just extract the juice and set aside the seeds. You will use them later. You can as well add some water and use them for juice. And here I just want half a cup of passion juice. Don't add water. We are only going to use the conch juice because we want that tanginess. And this is all I got. Almost half, and I will just manage this. Next, we are going to make passion fruit syrup. Add the passion juice in a saucepan, then go in with sugar and milk. I'm going to list all the ingredients with their exact measurements in the description box. Then mix it for the sugar to dissolve. Then take it to your stove. Cook it on a low medium heat as you stir until all the sugar has dissolved. Once the syrup has started thickening, add some passion seeds, then give it a nice stir. At this point, your syrup is ready. Turn off your stove and transfer the syrup in a bowl and ensure you cover it so that it doesn't form a skin. Set aside as we work on our batter. In a bowl, crack in your egg and separate the white egg from the yolk. Set the yolk aside. I'm using 3 medium room temperature eggs for this recipe. Guys, thanks for stopping by, and if you're here for the first time, feel welcome. On this channel, I share how to prepare delicious meals from Kenya and across the world. So if you're interested on this kind of content, go ahead and press that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you're not missing out on any of my future uploads. And don't forget to like the video, watch the video up to the end so that you don't miss each and every step if you really want to know how to make this cake. Using a hand mixer, beat the egg white and then add in powdered sugar, then continue to beat it until it forms a stiff peak. Then set aside, and on a different bowl with the egg yolk, add in some sugar and beat it until it's pale or until all the sugar dissolves. You can as well use a wooden spoon or even a whisk. Add in oil and continue to whisk it until it's light and pale. Scrape the bowl all the way down to ensure the sugar is nicely combined. Guys, at this point you should have prepared your baking tin and your oven is preheating 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Then add in fresh milk into the egg yolk mixture, then beat it up. Next, go in with your passion fruit pulp, then give it a good mix until it's nicely combined. Next, combine all the dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, baking powder, and corn flour. Then sift them all together into the wet ingredients. Add a pinch of salt, then give it a mix. Just combine them using a spatula or even a wooden spoon. Mix it until it's just combined. Don't overwork the batter. Then add in your egg whites into the batter and fold it in nicely. We'll add it into addition. Fold it in nicely until the white egg is invisible. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Kindly give me that thumbs up. It's really important for me, and also just engage me a little in the comment so that the algorithm will notice this video and push it to more audience. Thank you for the support. Once the butter is completely mixed, transfer it into your already prepared baking tin lined with parchment paper. Add it all in. Don't waste anything. Scrape the bowl to ensure everything is out. Tap it down to remove the air bubbles, then take it to your preheated oven and bake it for 25 minutes. My cake is in and out of the oven. Well done. Let it sit in the baking pan at least for 10 minutes, then remove it from the baking tin and transfer it on a plate. Today I'm not going to let my cake cool. Just want to enjoy it hot. If you're frosting, you have to let it cool down before frosting. Look at how my cake is looking. All the seeds are on the bottom of the cake. Poke some holes on the top of the cake using a skewer. Then feed your cake with some sugar syrup. This is the one we made earlier. It has cooled down nicely, and this will add a lot of passion flavor to our cake and some shininess and tanginess. And the aroma here is heavenly. I can't wait to taste it. Let's see how the inside look. Guys, I hope you've given me a thumbs up at this point. And if you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Wow. Look at our cake. It's well done. Awesome. I'm salivating. Wow. The seeds, the passion seeds are popping there. It is not only beautiful, and it was so sweet. You can glaze it again with some syrup. So soft, moist, fluffy, delicious. Name it. This is the best cake I've ever made and the sweetest of all. Guys, try out this recipe and bring back your feedback. You will always make your cake this way. It was nice having you around, and I hope to see you in my next one. Happy baking!